Swica insures about 27,000 companies. Each year we make about 12,000 quotes for potential new customers. The offering process is very important for us.
When we look back a few years ago, when we decided to change the way we deliver quotes and offers to our clients, we figured it's a rather paper-based and manual process. That worked wonderful in the past, but turned out not to be that flexible and efficient like we needed it to be for the future. The main goal for the Offerta project was to digitally transform our process on how we deliver quotes for our customers.
In the past it took us about 30 minutes to 2 hours or even more to make an offer for our corporate customers. With the new solution we can reduce the process time for 30 to 50%. We planned our project in several phases. So in summer 21 we had our MVP and we went through our season with the MVP. Afterwards we made some little steps forward, and in summer 22 we had the complete system, went through with the complete Offerta during our second season.
You have now a guided process that walks you through creating an offer, instead of having multiple manual tools like an Excel and a Word template to create the offer. There is also an approval workflow built in so that you can ensure compliance, and all of it is completely audible. Additionally, the calculation of a premium, which was done earlier in an Excel spreadsheet, is now fully integrated into the Offerta system and is also validated through a lot of different test cases compared to the Excel version.
Since we have a complete Offerta in summer 2022, there are 70 employees working with Offerta. And the season 2022, we made about 12,000 offers, and I think that 90% of the offers were made with Offerta. Besides reducing the process time from 30 to 50%, we have increased our quality. System Offerta documents every step of the process, and it's transparent which employee has done which step of the process. Offerta is an important part of their daily work. So with the new system, they've got a modern system with a good user experience. We have several quality checks in the system, so the risk to make faults is less than it was.
What helps us in our market presentation is that we have a much clearer process, a much more efficient process that helps us to interact faster, to get results to our clients faster than before. So it's the quality of service that we improved with the help of Offerta. We are in the lucky position of having the happiest customers in the market, and that will certainly help us to stay there and to develop that further.